Okay, here's the thing. Everyone has had pasta, but the difference between mediocre pasta and pasta that your family will crave is not the ingredients, it is about technique. Now, when I did food TV in LA, I talked to the best chefs in Hollywood, and they all started off with the same ingredients that we do. It's just about what they do with those ingredients. So I'm going to tell you about a little secret with pasta. It's about the texture. I'm Angeline Chew Longshore, and this is Chew on This, Flavorful Wisdom, Day 2. Okay, you want a lot of boiling water. Put our pasta in. Then I use Hawaiian salt. You can use kosher salt, but I like this big chunky salt because you can just grab it. And look how much I'm putting in there. That's quite a bit. But what it does is it makes it taste really good. What makes pasta good or not good is the texture. So if you overboil your pasta, it's going to be mushy. And that's kind of like an amateurish thing. So if you want to seem like a pro, actually, if you want just people to not even notice, but say, oh, this is so good, then you're going to want al dente pasta. That's an Italian term for like not fully cooked. And it's where it's kind of chewy. You get that nice tender but chewy kind of pasta. It's not crunchy, it's not hard on the inside, but it's and cooked all the way through, but it's just kind of like chewy. So that is al dente, and that is, you get that by not overcooking your pasta. So the timer's going off. It has been actually 11 minutes. Okay, and now we just put some olive oil on it. You want to make sure it doesn't stick. If you leave it for too long with the air to dry it out, then it will get stuck to each other. So stir it around, and you've got your al dente pasta. Perfect. Tender and chewy. So if you want a really quick meal, say your kids are super hungry, you just put some in a bowl, grab some sauce, and throw it on there. And basically, even if the sauce is cold, the pasta will warm up the sauce.
Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind.
So hey, stay tuned for tomorrow because I'm going to teach you how to make the most succulent, velvety scrambled eggs. This is Chew on This, Flavorful Wisdom.